Welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to take you on a journey to one of the premier teaching hospitals for Phan Chau Trinh University, Tam Tri Danang General Hospital. So let's dive in and explore the various departments and infrastructure of the hospital that supports the training of future doctors.
One of the PCTU Hospital, and this is the OPD, Dr. Kun.
Yeah, I'm working as an OBGYN doctor.
Which doctor, sir?
Obstetrics.
OBG, okay, OBG doctor.
Hello,
So, hi.
I am a CMO of hospital.
Okay, you're the Chief Medical Officer, yeah. So, yes, Dr. Shelby,
Yeah.
you'll take us around?
Yeah.
So, this is the emergency department of patients. Okay.
As one of the 8 teaching hospitals for PCTU, Tam Tri Danang has a cutting-edge facility where students get to bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world patient care. Tam Tri Danang General Hospital is known for its comprehensive medical facilities.
So, these are conference rooms. Maybe for any conferences happen, they will be here, or when the students are learning here. Where are the classrooms? These are the. So when students come here for the in practice hospital trainings, and if the teacher wants to give some theory classes here and then take, so these are the rooms where they take the. So how many operation theaters we have here? 4 operation theaters. Okay. This way. That's a delivery room.
Yeah, this is where stuff.
It's a delivery room. This is the postpartum room, and this is the staff room. This is the OBG department. In the prenatal rooms. Yeah.
And ultrasound.
Okay.
Fetal ultrasound.
Okay. So VIP rooms are separate rooms. You give them a separate room. Rehabilitation department. Maybe people who have the accidents to get back to their normal routine, or who are addicted to any toxication to come out of that. So all those things. The internal medicine department, the nurse station, and this is the internal medicine department where the patients are here.
With over 200
So
beds
there-
and specialized departments across several floors, it provides a dynamic environment for student training. Every day, hundreds of patients come here for a wide range of services, from emergency care and surgery to pediatrics and internal medicine, giving students exposure to diverse medical cases.
Department.
How many bed in the hospital? The bed?
150.
150 bed. Okay.
150 bed in Quảng Nam, Tâm Chí Quảng Nam Hospital.
Okay. This is the intensive care unit, ICU. And that is the post-operating room. After a surgery, the patients will be shifted there.
Students start practicing here from their second year, once they have established a strong foundation in the theoretical aspects of medicine.
This is one of the hospitals of PCTU, and they have another 7 hospitals in Da Nang and Ho Chi Minh. So in Da Nang, they have 2 more hospitals. In Ho Chi Minh, they have 4 hospitals. So this is one of the hospitals of PCTU.
Under the guidance of experienced doctors and consultants, they move through a structured rotation schedule, gaining hands-on experience in various departments. The hospital is equipped with state-of-the-art diagnostic facilities
Yeah, it's a 3D machine, ultrasound 3D machine.
and advanced laboratory services like PCR testing.
So this is the X-ray room.
Students get a chance to participate in clinical studies and case documentation.
This has 128 slides, but in the actual main PCTU hospital, they said they have 256 slides, something like that, right? So that's better than this, yeah. So this is a CT machine. So this machine is from Japan. It's a Japanese machine, yeah.
The hospital is equipped with cutting-edge infrastructure.
We have every single hospital of PCTU is having good infrastructure. This is a pathology department where they take all the blood tests. So there are the laboratories where the tests are taken. Have any other international students? Yeah.
But they come from Japan and Hungary.
Okay, Japan, Hungary.
Sometimes
So internship, okay. What is this? This is the MRI scan. So let's go to the MRI scan room. Can I come? Yes, so there's a patient inside. So the MRI scanning is happening, and the doctor is checking on the images. Yeah. This is the gynecology department, OBG. These are the doctor's room. So they are doctor's room, the gynecology department. This is pediatric department. Outpatient. This is the neurology clinic. Yeah, it's all outpatient, cardiology. So they are the outpatients departments. So every doctors come on a visiting basis to see the patients in the rooms alone.
Students get to practice real-time skills under expert supervision, preparing them for high-stakes scenarios they'll face in their medical careers.
So this is the ophthalmology department.
The hospital also emphasizes mentorship with senior doctors offering feedback to students, ensuring they learn both the technical and interpersonal aspects of patient care. For students, one of the highlights of training at Tam Tri Danang is emergency simulations. These sessions offer practice in CPR, trauma response, and emergency stabilization, helping students develop quick decision-making skills. So this is how Phan Chau Trinh University and Tam Tri Danang General Hospital work together to provide an immersive hands-on training experience. With unmatched training opportunity, PCTU is setting a high standard in medical education. So if you are ready to take your first step, connect with Aieraa Overseas today. Let's make your medical dreams a reality.